In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Messenger not working. If Messenger isn't loading properly, not sending messages, or keeps crashing, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can try, and in many cases, the issue can be fixed in just a few minutes. We'll go through the most effective solutions one by one so you can get the app working again. First, go to Facebook and start by checking your internet connection. Messenger depends on a stable connection to work properly, so make sure your phone is connected to reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the app seems stuck or messages won't send, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. This is a quick way to tell whether the problem is related to your network rather than the app itself. Next, restart Messenger. Close the app completely instead of just minimizing it in the background. Once it's fully closed, open it again and see if it starts working normally. This can help clear temporary glitches that sometimes cause the app to freeze or stop responding. If that doesn't solve it, update Messenger. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, then search for Messenger. If an update is available, install it right away. App updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements, so using the latest version can resolve common issues. Another good step is to restart your phone. Turn your device off completely, then turn it back on. After the restart, open Messenger again and check whether the issue is gone. Restarting your phone can refresh the system and fix background problems that may be interfering with the app. If you're using Android, you should also try clearing the app cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Messenger, and then Storage. Tap Clear Cache, and after that, reopen the app. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may have become corrupted over time. Without deleting your account or conversations, you should also consider whether the problem might be on Facebook's side. If Messenger suddenly stops working, and a lot of users are having the same issue, it could be caused by a temporary server outage. In that situation, there usually isn't anything you need to fix on your device, and the best option is simply to wait until the service is restored. Finally, if none of the earlier